My point was, Professor Leonard Bernstein, to truly understand a discipline is within the context of another. And within the context of physics, I understand much deeper phenomena like why does an A chord sound the way it sounds? You know, what is an octave? You know, why do we hear octaves? You know, and this is turns out again, studying a little physics of music it's turned out that we interpret song logarithmically. We interpret song in increments. It's a non-linear interpretation of sound. My point for saying this was back to a whole elaborate explanation, a waste of time. So I'm studying binary, and I kind of understand why computer uses binary. It's just zeros and ones. It converts computer programming to zeros and ones, and turns out that zero is not actually a negative or an absent